So here are the fabrics that I've bought over my weekend away. So let me show you this one first. So these fabrics I bought when I was at the show, and they are from a shop called Fine French Linen. Now these aren't linens, these are cottons. I'll just show them here. They are really very lovely, definitely have that French feel to them. So the lady who owns the company has bought the fabric designs from a French man, and she's now getting them printed in the UK. I've bought this kind of blue palette, but she also has a lovely faded red palette as well. So they are just really lovely, I think. I'm going to keep them for a project later on in the year, if I get round to it. I have this idea that I'm going to write another book, and I would like to use these fabrics for a quilt in that book. And the other fabrics I bought at the show, I bought them from the Crafty UK template stand, and this is, I think, an oldish collection by Andover, so sold by MAKE in the UK, and it's called Cosy House. So again, gone down that blue palette, and what I decided to do was I bought 1/2 metre of these two fabrics and then a long quarter of the lighter fabrics, just because I thought I'm more likely to use more of the dark fabrics. And I'm going to use these fabrics for some of my block videos that I'm going to be releasing this year. The previous fabrics I bought 1/2 metres, and then on the Sunday I went to the trade show up in Birmingham, and Rhinecraft were there, and they were selling half price fabric and in 1/2 metre bundles. So I bought this fabric, and it's by Holt. I'm not sure which collection it's from, but I thought it had a kind of nice spring feel to it. And again, I'm going to be using these fabrics in some vlog videos coming up during this year.